Hi everyone, I'm Shachi Pandey. I'm the owner of a small people-centric urban design practice called Mud Workshop, which is based in New York City. I'm also the Vice President of Intergovernmental Affairs at the New York Metro chapter. When I first heard about Planners Day, I thought, wow, this is a chance to speak with people who are directly responsible for making legislation, and that's a powerful chance. In my practice as an urban designer, it is not just enough to craft ideas and make design. I think we have to be able to connect the dots and make these ideas see light of day. And that's the opportunity that Planners Day presents. It gives us an insight into how our system operates at different levels. And I think that that insight then gives us all the potential to bring to fruition the initiatives and projects that we endeavor. Not only is Planners Day a critical moment in our careers, I think it is also a great experience. It is a meeting of the minds that are all striving to achieve similar goals. It's like a little workshop of professionals. And I'm very much looking forward to meeting with APA representatives from all states and chapters and share what's been working and what's not been working. Because this is, rarely do we get a chance to actually do that in a coordinated manner. I think if you care about your cause and your community, you're an advocate. If there's one message that has come across clearly from all my interactions with elected officials, it is that they want to hear from who they represent. They want to get the ground details that they can't really get from a bird's eye view. Especially this year, when a number of our communities are struggling to recover from the recent pandemic. Planners Day on Capitol Hill is democracy in action. I invite you to join me and all of us at the APA in informing change at the grassroots level by urging our elected officials to take action where it can be most effective.